users are rapidly increasing, and cyberbullying cases too. Most people even don't know about cyberbullying and its reporting mechanism, thus facing many consequences. Therefore, the human-centered violence tracking applications PARI is itself unique, convenient, effective, and innovative, because individual survivors can report and monitor the progress of the reported incidents on their own. Similarly, the data collected through the PARI app also helps to plan and revise the laws and bring changes to the action plan of GVB at the national level. As per the feedback from participants, Cybercrime Bureau Nepal and the relevant stakeholders during the prototype, we found that the PARI app is the most awaited app to strengthen the cyberbullying cases reporting mechanism. Likewise, PARI app hits the agenda of UN Sustainable Development Goal 2030, goal number 5 as well. And now we will test the app with different audiences, adjust the app in many languages, and finally upload it to the Play Store so that many people can use the benefit of app. To measure the success, we will prototype app with different audiences with the saved questionnaires and finally upload it to the Play Store. Also, we will quarterly monitor the app effectiveness using different indicators, like the number of people who have ever heard about the PARI app, the number of reported incidents on PARI app, and the number of cases resolved through the PARI app, etc., and bring changes to the features to make it more user-friendly. For PARI app implementations, we will work based on this organogram, and these are the key partners with whom we will coordinate during implementation. In phase 3, we have added some new features in PARI app, like users and issue verification procedures. In order to use all of the users' app's capabilities, newly created user accounts must be authenticated and approved by the admin. Similarly, before any resolutions actions are taken, reported incidents must be also validated and accepted by the admin panel. Once we launch the app, with the help of user feedback, we will add many more violent components to PARI app to make PARI a comprehensive violence tracking platform. For PARI app sustainability, we will further coordinate and conduct inductions meetings with different ministries of Nepal, like the Ministry of Women, Children and Social Welfare, the National Women Commissions, and the Ministry of Home Affairs, and share the concept of PARI app and convince to integrate into the national level GVB action plan of Nepal to make the government of Nepal more accountable and feel the ownerships of these innovations. Also, we will coordinate with UN agency working for violence control like UNICEF, UNFPA, UN Women's and UNDP, etc. to integrate the PARI app as a cross-cutting agenda into the ongoing project in different areas of Nepal. Likewise, we will endorse the concept of PARI applications in the development plan of NRCS to institutionalize and bridge 77 district chapters and make it sustainable. So, at the end, this is the estimated budget for PARI app implementations and operations.
PARI application helps in tracking cyberbullying cases. Based on the tracking, we'll try to see how we can support those who need assistance on one hand, and on the other hand, we will integrate this in other ongoing programs of Nepal Red Cross Society. We will expand it and we will institutionalize it.
For society, violence prevention is one key element that we always try to mainstream within all the activities and the different sectors of intervention. So I believe really this new innovative application, this PARI application, can be a very powerful tool, especially among young people, to promote violence prevention and also to reduce incident violence among young people and also in their community.
In the context of Nepal, the behavior change of peoples to initiate reporting incident is one of the major challenges. But we will continuously aware people of PARI app by coordinating with NHAIC and NRCS Communications Department, especially with CEA, to produce different IC materials about PARI app.